Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can recover deleted messages on Messenger. So open up the Messenger app like so. So it could be that your file is, well, your messages is in archive. So select the three lines, go to archive, and you'll see all of the messages that are archived. Oh, that's a lot. Anyways, you're just going to unarchive them if you think you've deleted them. Can't find it, go to your Facebook account, go to settings, go to the information one, select download your information, continue, select your account. Oops. Select your Facebook account, select next. Select specific types of information, and you're going to select the messages one. Select next. Download to device or transfer to destination, and you're going to select create files. You can also adjust the date range here. So it could be up to all time, but it may take longer to download, and just select download and you'll have it in your files. I'm not going to do that because it's going to take a long time, but you're just going to select the date range that you have. Maybe I'll do like last week, maybe it's going to be easier. Select save. You can also change the format here. I'll do the HTML one, and you can also adjust the media quality. Create files. And okay, so it's going to take a few days, I think, for it to be downloaded. So just be patient, and you're just going to press done. And that is it. It's either in your archives or you do have to download the information. But that is pretty much how you can recover deleted messages on Facebook Messenger. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also, subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. If you have any questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click this thanks button down below as well. And that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.